guys, we got a brand new G23 Super Air Nautique in today. We're going to be doing a 5-year ceramic coating, but before we apply that coating, we want to make sure to get the finishes looking as good as possible. It's kind of hard to tell on this anthracite metallic because it's got so much flake, but you can really see the defects that just come on these boats right from the factory. You can see it there in the top left corner of the screen. And it's got a fair amount of swirls, spider webs, and there's other little defects here and there too that we're going to fix. It's going to be more apparent down here on the white. We'll get the camera to pick it up just right. Take a look at that. That's just not going to work for me, so we're going to correct that, get the boat looking as good as possible, and then put a really long-lasting ceramic coating on it. Here you can see we're on our first step. And actually, we're really just doing a trial spot right now just to see what magic's going to be the best. And what we're trying to get rid of is all of that, which the price of these boats are, I don't think they should look like that. All right, here's the aftermath of the G23 Super Air Nautique. We've done all the gel coat correction to get rid of the spider webs and swirl marks left at the factory. We've got 2 coats of Ceramic Pro Bravo that's going to make this finish really durable and really easy to wipe down after each usage. And look at the shine and the reflection and the gloss on that. You know, even the anthracite was kind of hard to find, the swirls and spider webs, because of all that flake that's in there, but look at where the light hits it, the difference from before and after. And wait till we get down here and look at the white. There's a huge difference. Lots of gloss, lots of reflection. One of the best looking boats on the lake is now going to be easier to take care of, super hydrophobic, and look good for years to come. Hey guys, we're going over the interior of the Nautique G23. We did full correction and 2 coats of ceramic on the exterior. We used Ceramic Pro Bravo. We also did all the interior gel coat as well. So in and around all the seats and in all these hidden compartments, in the side lockers in the back, we've ceramic coated all of this gel coat. We actually coated all of the vinyl too. You've got such a light color interior. Owner really wanted to protect it, keep it looking nice for years to come. We did the vinyl material. We also did the True Weave, and we did the Sea Deck as well. And you know how we do it over here. We even go a little bit farther. These Nautiques have a really cool built-in ice chest, kind of like a Yeti. Probably is Yeti. Nautique branded cooler, well, that got ceramic coated as well. Even the compartment that the cooler sits inside of got ceramic coated. We really tried to get on every single aspect of this boat, really protecting it for years to come. We even did the windshield. So we've now ceramic coated the glass as well to make cleanup a lot easier, minimize the water spots. And look at this boat. This thing is just beautiful.